Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing a reliable connection to your database. Use SQL Alchemy or your DB client so you can run queries from Python or R. Once connected, inspect the schema and key columns to understand data types and relationships. You should run a small select with limit 50 to validate access and avoid heavy scans. Make sure to authenticate securely and prefer read-only credentials for exploration. This keeps your environment safe while you learn the dataset structure and immediate next steps. Once you can query data, focus on transformation using SQL itself. Write CTEs to break complex logic into named steps so you can validate each piece. You will join tables on indexed keys, then aggregate with group by and apply having for filtered summaries. For time series or ranking, leverage window functions to compute rolling metrics efficiently. Make sure to run explain to gauge cost. If a step is slow, add appropriate indexes or rewrite joins to reduce row scans before moving data into your analysis environment. You finish by exporting clean result sets for modeling or visualization. Choose Parquet for columnar efficiency or CSV for compatibility, and use connectors to stream data into your pipeline. Once exported, validate types, nulls, and sample distributions so models receive correct inputs. If something breaks, debug incrementally. Rerun parts with limit 10, inspect execution plans, and confirm permissions or missing indexes. Troubleshooting should be systematic, so you resolve data issues quickly and keep your ML workflow reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.